107.1 News FM Olongapo.
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo!
Basta Radyo, ibandera mo! Welcome back! Welcome back! Welcome back! Bandera Night Jams with DJ Tommy G dito lang sa Radyo Bandera 107.1 News FM. A while ago, back-to-back birthday celebrant songs. Si Chaka Khan with the song Ain't Nobody. It's Chaka Khan's birthday today. Would you believe it? She turned 73 today. 73! Still making music and still doing shows and touring, right? And the lead vocalist of the band Blur with their song Blur Song 2. That one's from 1997. Tagal na, no? All right. So once again, welcome back everybody. For those who just tune in, you're listening to 107.1 News FM Olongapo, Radyo Bandera. Okay. We would like to start things up with this invite coming from our friends at King NJP. Yan. Ang King NJP ay matatagpuan sa dito lang, malapit lang dito sa Barangay Cabalan. Yan, Old Cabalan Dares. Ang pinaka-landmark if you're going to, well, if you're traversing the highway sa Barangay Cabalan, ang landmark yung sa bandang kaliwang side yan, bago SBMA Cabalan Gate, yung Kalayaan Gate ng SBMA, going to Kalayaan Housing, no? Ayan. So, if you're galing from the Shell gas station of Olongapo, going to King NJP, sa highway ng Old Cabalan, yan, sa left side, bago Kalayaan Gate ng SBMA. Yan. Tsaka bago rin yung tulay ng Memorial. Yun, sa side na yun, sa left, no? Doon yung matatagpuan ng King NJP. Along with King NJP, kasama din yung Stairway Sandals. Yung mga gustong bumili ng sandals. Mga leather goods. Okay? Na meron din branch sa St. Joseph. Malapit sa St. Joseph. 18th Street, Olongapo City. Okay? And ang King NJP ngayon, hindi lang motorcycle parts and supplies na, pati yung mga repairs and may mga magagaling siyang mechanic doon, Ayan. Pati na rin 4 wheels. Kung may problema yung 4 wheels ninyo or may parts na kailangan, just go there at King NJP. Okay? Madaling matagpuan ang King NJP. Puntahan nyo lang yung Facebook page, King NJP. Alright? Yan, nandito yan. Madaling hanapin, di ba? Ang King NJP. Let me give you the cellphone number. Okay? Baka may kailangan kayong ipa-repair or kailangan yung parts and supply. Ang King NJP official cellphone number is 0916-424-1010. Once again, 0916-424-1010. Yan. Yan na rin yung phone number ng Stairway Sandals, of course, ni Kuya Nelson. Stairway Sandals and King NJP car and motorcycle repair and general merchandise. Okay? Meaning kung anik-anik pa. Diyan ako nagpaparepair ng motorcycle ko Ang galing nga Nung last time na pinarepair ko yung motorcycle ko, nung pagkatapos naayos na nakakatanggap na ng text. Yung motorsiklo ko. And shout out to our friends at David Clark Photography, si Kuya David Clark Photography. Yan yung mga tumakbo sumali dun sa FHM run, female half marathon run kahapon yesterday. Yung mga pictures po ninyo, yung mga photos ninyo, you can find it at the official Facebook page of David Clark Photography. Just look it up on Facebook, David Clark Photography. And for your photography needs na rin, of course, photography, videography, you may call or text 0998-418-4489. Yan, ang gaganda ng pictures, promise. Ang gaganda ng pictures. Kasama ako sa na-picturean. Ako kasi yung nag-MC ng FHM, ng Female Half Marathon in celebration of Women's Month by the SBMA Gender and Development Program, GAD program, with the help, of course, of the organizer, Miranda Run Events. Okay? So check out on Facebook, David Clark Photography. Sa mga sumali sa mga nakitakbo, nakimarathon, nando doon lahat ng pictures nyo. Lahat kayo. Just look it up. Okay? Great job. And some of the latest news and updates muna coming from our friends at Olongapo City Information Center. Alam niyo bang nanumpa? Nanumpa na yung mga sangguniang panglunsod members tsaka mga Olongapo Lupong Tagapamayapa Federation, ha? Yung federasyon sa mga barangay, yung mga Lupong Tagapamayapa. Nanumpa kay Mayor Attorney Roland Paulino Jr. Okay, bilang pagtitibay sa kanilang tungkulin na magsilbi bilang mga tagapamagitan at tagapangalaga ng kapayapaan sa lungsod. Yan. So, alam ko, hindi madaling trabaho yan, di ba? Mahirap yan. Pero best of luck sa ating sa mga nanumpa at maninilbihan para sa lupong tagapamayapa sa buong lungsod. And pati na rin sa miyembro ng Sangguniang Panglungsod ng Olongapo. Okay? They had their oath taking today ba to? Kanina yata, no? Yeah, this was just posted 3 hours ago at the Olongapo City Information Center page. Thank you sa Olongapo City Information Center page, by the way. Yan, okay?